Have you seen those viral POV roller coaster videos taking over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts? Some creators are already blowing up. One Instagram page has gained over 40,000 followers just posting these cinematic roller coaster POVs, and their videos are hitting millions of views. The crazy part? This niche is still wide open, and most people haven't even tapped into it yet. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make these viral POV roller coaster videos from scratch. Now let's get into it. The first step is getting your prompts right, and this is where most people mess up. Go to the Google Doc linked in the description, where you'll find a proven prompt template built specifically for this viral POV roller coaster niche. Once you open it, simply copy the prompt and paste it into your preferred AI tool. In this tutorial, we're using ChatGPT. After you paste it and hit enter, the AI will instantly generate 5 unique roller coaster video concepts designed for maximum viral potential. Now take your time and go through the list carefully. Pick the concept that stands out the most to you, the one that feels the most cinematic, extreme, or visually powerful. And if none of them fully match your vision, you can always type in your own custom idea to make it even more unique and personal. Once you make your selection and submit it, the AI will generate a highly detailed cinematic image prompt, which you'll use to create your visual. Right after that, it will also give you a video animation prompt, which is what brings your static image to life and turns it into a full cinematic roller coaster experience. The next step is where we bring everything to life. Head over to OpenArt and click on Image, which will take you directly into the Create Image section. First, choose your image generation model. You can use either Nano Banana 2 or ChatGPT 2, depending on what works best for you. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt we generated earlier, return to OpenArt, and paste it into the prompt box. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Then select 2K resolution for a sharp, high-quality cinematic output. Once everything is set up, click Generate, and within seconds, AI will create a stunning, ultra-detailed cinematic image based on your prompt. If you're happy with the result, click Use Image, then select Image to Video to open the animation tool. Now choose your video generation model. In this tutorial, we're using Kling AI 3.0 for the most realistic motion effects. Go back to ChatGPT again, copy the video prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Then choose your preferred resolution and set the video duration depending on how long you want your final clip to be. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will transform your image into a smooth, cinematic, dreamlike roller coaster video. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Oh, yes! No way!
If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.